Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. Today's video is an embarrassing video. I'm finally putting my Christmas trees down. So the main one was been down since like January 2nd or 3rd or something. But these ones, one in my room I really love, and then the one in the dining room, I just never got around to it. So we're gonna do that today because my husband made me unplug this one right here in my room because he's like, Christmas is over. Finally, so I unplugged that one. So I figured it's time to take it down now since I can't plug it anymore. I mean, I love Christmas, you guys, and I think the decoration is why I love it the most. So that's why I'm so extra with it. But I know my room is a mess. We're gonna tackle that another day. I was just putting my tree down. We're gonna be cleaning the bathroom. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So go ahead and enjoy. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we have so many videos coming. And don't forget to like the video and leave me a comment and let's chat there if you have any more questions.
We gon' break up, then we make up. Act like we're gonna be friends. Flames the fire, take me higher. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again. We gon' break up, then we make up. Act like we're gonna be friends. Blaze the fire, take me higher. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again.
Alright, so my table is still without a chair. So I did get the chairs, but I want a different type of chair, so that's why I don't have those. I have those chairs in my breakfast nook now, and we're ordering other chairs to put here, so that's why it's looking so empty in there. And I feel like that's why I didn't want to put my Christmas tree down too, because I didn't have anything in this room. I wanted to at least keep it like that because once you open the front door, this is the first thing you see. But it is what it is. I put the tree down. I'm still looking for the perfect chairs. I can't find them yet. So if you guys have any suggestions for websites and stuff, leave them down below so I can check them out. Thank you.
Leave it all over again. One step away from having it all. Boyfriend, girlfriend, fancy car. You're insatiable, and that's true. You just want more. Climbing mountains, crushing your goals. But you put your happiness on hold. Still waiting to start living. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body go. Live your life like you're winning. You don't need no pressure in it. You've been struggling too long. Now it's time to move on. And tell the truth like you mean it. Listen to yourself and hear it. And you'll start to remember how to surrender. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body be. You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy, yeah. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, it's so crazy. Let your
Walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over, we could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new, just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. Listen to the midnight.
So y'all, the worst thing happened. The camera stopped recording. When I realized that, I was already done washing the toilets. So what you see me doing here is taking the cloth wipe and wiping the door handle and stuff like that. But yeah, that's why you didn't see that part.
We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go.
Alright y'all, this is it for the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Oh